On Amazon EC2 service, there is service called Amazon Machine Image. This is such as template for operating system that we can use to make another instance or another VPS. In this video, I will show you how to make Amazon Machine Image from instance that we have created before. Okay, we are in EC2 service, and on instance menu, we have one instance that we want to create Amazon Machine Image. To create it, we go to action. The first one is we need to check the instance, and action, we go to image and templates and create image. The first one is we need to enter the image name. AMI was load test, and also the same for image description, and we check no reboot button. It means that when we create the Amazon Machine Image, the server is still up and running. And also we can see the storage that will include in this Amazon Machine Image. And the last one is tags for tagging this resource. Right now we don't need it. And the last one is we hit the create image. There is a message, and we can go to image and AMIS, and we can see our Amazon Machine Image is still in status pending. We need to wait for status became available. That means our Amazon Machine Image is successfully created. So we need to wait about 1 or 2 minutes for Amazon Web Service to create Amazon Machine Image from our active instance. Okay, we can see the status is available right now. It means our Amazon Machine Image is successfully created and available for our usage. You can see the visibility is private. It means this Amazon Machine Image only this user or this account can see or use this Amazon Machine Image. That's it, how to create Amazon Machine Image on EC2 service. Thank you very much, and see you on the next video.